Welcome back to another YouTube video. If you are new on my YouTube channel, please subscribe my YouTube channel and also press the bell icon for the latest updates. Today we will discuss about how we can sell any shoes on StockX market. It is very easy to sell shoes on StockX market. There are two methods to sell shoes on StockX market. I will tell you both. First method is go to only sell option. When you go to only sell option, you see option new listing. Then search any product. Like I want to sell shoes, I search shoes. You select any shoes from it and list it, and also you set the price and sell to the other user. And second option, how can we use the second option to sell the items? Second method, second method, go to select any product, like I want to sell bags, shoes or any other item. Just I select a shoes. When I select shoes, you can see it, buy this item, place bid or sell this item. You just click on sell this item. When you click on sell this item, place ask to the real user or company. It is not available in my region because I am out of Canada and out of USA. If you are in Canada, you can easily sell it. This is a simple trick to sell any product on StockX market. If you like the video, please subscribe my channel and also share to the friends who don't know about how to sell my shoes, shirts or any other product on StockX market.